In this video, I'll show you how to use the auto captions feature in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to add captions to and add it to the track. Let's preview the video before editing it.
Colors are fascinating and integral part of our world, influencing everything from our emotions to our daily choices. At their core, colors are the result of light interacting with our eyes and brains.
Now, let's add auto captions. Click on the text button at the top of the screen and select Auto Captions. Now, click the Generate button. CapCut will now analyze the audio in your video and automatically generate captions based on what's being said. Once the captions are generated, you'll see them appear in the timeline as text layers. You can review them and make any necessary edits. Now, you can adjust the wording, correct any mistake, and even change the font, size, and color using the text toolbar on the right. If you want to customize the appearance of your caption further, click on the Effects tab. Here, you can add effects to make your caption stand out. To adjust the timing of the captions, simply drag the edges of the text layers in the timeline to match the exact points in your video where the speech occurs. After you're happy with the caption, play back your video to ensure everything is synced properly.
Colors are fascinating and integral part of our world, influencing everything from our emotions to our daily choices. At their core, colors are the result of light interacting with our eyes and brains.
Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button to save your edited video. And that's it! You've successfully added auto captions to your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!